Welcome back. We're now in the last section of part 2 for the social enterprise business model template. So we have considered the following in recent videos. We looked at the key partners, key relationships, key activities. We even talked about the channels. Now we're going to look at the key resources and output just to round up number 2 right there before we go on to number 3. So let's get started. This is what we looked at recently. We are going to fast track to key resources. So this section asks you to make a list or write in the box there the key resources you're going to have. You may need an office, some special reports, computers, mobile phones, databases, or software. That's the section you need to put that, because these are pertinent to the success of the organization or the business. So you want to include that there. How would you acquire these in terms of how much they will cost? Remember that we are going to translate those numbers into the income and costs before we look at the difference in section 3. So it's important to start thinking about that. And I got here in the second point, can you trade your skills instead of buying them? It could be that somebody who has mobile phones may need you to do their website, or somebody who has computers may need you to do some programming for them. And because you're good at it, then you don't have to exchange money. You just exchange skills. That could be a way that you acquire some of your key resources. Or you could be helping somebody build their website whilst you're in their office for free. Depend. You could have a desk space there whilst you're helping them with sales for their products. It just depends. So you should explore such diverse opportunities. And can you buy them on hire purchase instead of on cash? Cash is king. So you need to start watching out for your cash flow. If you can buy something on HP, it means that you do not need to outlay a lot of money in the beginning. Trade means you use your skills, and then you got to think creatively as to how you might be able to acquire the resources that you need to run or start your social enterprise. Okay, getting on to the final box on the section 2. These are items like the number of people who attended your courses or training, the number of people who paid to attend your program. Just try and document that so that you can have a look month by month to see how you are progressing. Number of sales calls you made last month, the number of people who took on your products, number of clients who are now paying clients, number of people who responded to your advert, number of people who came to your website. You need to be able to document this so that you can mark out and plot out your progress. The value of the orders you got last month compared to this month, the value of the orders in the last 6 months compared to the previous 6 months. As you go on, you're going to find out that some of this information are going to become very useful for you in the future. So put those in the output. What kind of outputs are you going to record? That's basically what that section is all about. Okay, we're going to move on to section 3 when we come back in the next video. So see you later on.